Hey guys, this is Rishabh. I joined Bain this year, that is 2022. So my onboarding was completely virtual. So let's see what I got from Bain. So my assets comprised of this laptop, a charger, and a headphone. So let's discuss about these in detail. So talking about the laptop, this is a Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Generation 6 series. This is a very fast laptop. I have tried it over a month and it's super smooth. Now talking about the headphones, these are very good quality headphones. The MRP of these stands around 12,000 rupees. On these, my headphones. These are very comfortable and they completely reduces the noise around you. Now, this is about my virtual joining. So recently I visited my office for the first time and I got a new joiner's kit. So let's see what I got in my new joiner's kit. So this is the box that I got from Bain along with this bag. As you can see, this is completely packed and I have no idea what inside it. So let's discover it now. Let's start with opening this bag. Oh, the quality is quite nice. Okay, so bag has a good strap along with it. Inside this thermocol. And a good number of pockets to keep my pens, notebooks, and definitely this laptop. So quite a good quality bag. Definitely gonna use this. Now let's see what's inside this box. So firstly a good logo, Bain company. And inside is, oh, look at this, a good metal bottle. Quite nice. And then is a pen along with a notebook, or I guess a journal. Let's see what it is. A notebook or journal. Okay, this is my, okay. So it's just not a notebook, it's a complete diary. Guys, this is a very nice notebook with the calendar and day-wise pages. Quite nice. And of course, the Bain company logo. This is all, guys. Laptop, headphone, a diary, a pen, a bottle, and a bag. Thanks for watching. Soon I'll be posting another video about my first day at Bain, all the other further gifts I get from Bain, and of course, my experience at Bain. If you have any doubts or comments regarding to Bain, the recruitment or anything, do drop down a comment. Also, don't forget to like and share. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.